The Ferrari SF90 2025 is a stunning example of innovation, performance, and luxury. As Ferrari's flagship hybrid supercar, it blends exceptional design with advanced technology. The aerodynamic body reflects Ferrari's signature styling, while enhancements for 2025 include improved materials for weight reduction and subtle tweaks to its sleek appearance. The front grille and lighting system have been refined, adding to its futuristic vibe. Under the hood, the SF90 is powered by a potent V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors, delivering a combined output of nearly 1,000 horsepower. This impressive powertrain enables the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The electric-only driving mode offers a quieter, more sustainable driving experience, making it versatile for both city cruising and high-speed thrills. The all-wheel drive system and advanced torque vectoring technology provide remarkable stability and cornering precision. Inside, the SF90 offers a luxurious yet driver-focused cockpit. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and state-of-the-art digital displays create a sophisticated environment. The central touchscreen allows for easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Ferrari's latest infotainment system supports smartphone integration, voice commands, and personalized settings. The steering wheel features touch-sensitive controls for a futuristic and ergonomic driving experience. Safety and driver assistance features are also a priority in this model. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced braking systems ensure peace of mind on the road. The SF90 is designed to provide both exhilarating performance and everyday usability. As for the price, the Ferrari SF90 2025 comes with a hefty price tag, starting around $600,000. However, the price may vary based on customization options and additional features selected by the buyer. Ferrari offers a range of personalization choices, allowing customers to tailor the car to their preferences. If you're a fan of high-performance supercars and cutting-edge technology, the SF90 is undoubtedly a masterpiece worth exploring. How does Ferrari's move toward hybrid technology affect your perception of supercars? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting content on the latest cars and automotive trends.